Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to install any color profile or picture style in Canon Mirrorless or DSLR camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Canon Mirrorless camera. So if you have a Canon DSLR camera, still the tricks will remain the same. And after that you will need one more thing, USB cable. So right now my Canon M50 Mark II has a micro USB input, so I have a micro USB cable. So if your Canon Mirrorless or DSLR camera is having a micro USB or Type-C USB cable, then firstly check it out. So let me show you here also. In my case it's a micro USB port, so you can see here this is the micro USB port. And after that just set this dialer to manual, so just note this down. You need to do those things firstly and just insert this cable with your mirrorless or DSLR camera. And after that let's jump to our respective computer. Now on your respective computer just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link and just click on this download, and it will auto detect your operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 64-bit operating system, but since the operating system there is no any Windows 11, so it's detecting the Windows 10, but don't worry, it will work in Windows 11 also. So it supports for the Apple Mac OS also. So you can see here if you're using a Mac computer also, and if you're using a Linux also, still you will get this software for the respective operating system. So firstly select your respective operating system that you're using on your respective computer, and after that on the left side you can see your product. So just select your which Canon Mirrorless or DSLR camera you are having. So say in my case I'm using a US M50 Mark II, then just select it, and now you can see here, and you can select the language also if you wish, like English or whichever language, or you can just keep it as it is also. And you can see here the latest version, and you can just click on download. So I've already downloaded this software, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not downloaded, then just visit to this website link and download this software firstly. And after that you need to download one more software. So once again open any web browser again and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link, and below you can see here download scene style. So you need to download this file also. So firstly download both this file, and after that just extract each of this file. So let us extract this US utility firstly, and let us extract this second file also. So now firstly just open the US utility extracted folder and just double click it to run the software installer. Now select your respective country, so which country you are living. So in my case it's Asia. Let me select the respective country, click on OK. Now click on install, click on yes, now click on next, click on finish. So finally the installation has been completed. As you can see the application shortcut icon. Now just turn on your Canon Mirrorless or DSLR camera and connect it with your respective computer using a USB data cable. So now you can see my Canon Mirrorless camera has been connected with my respective computer. Now just double click on this US utility software which you have installed just now. So finally you can see the software is interference. So if you're facing an issue and this options are being grayed out, then what you can do is you can just click on this check for updates if you're having a older version of this. So right now you can see no updates are available. So by clicking on this you can install the latest version of this software, and it will fix the issue if you're having some issues. And after that, once your camera is connected using this US utility, you can see your remote shooting. Just click on it, and now you are seeing some options here, right? So you can see your registered user defined style. Click on it, and now you can select which user defined you want to install. So I'll just select the first one. You can select the different options also, or you can install the multiple color profile or picture styles on different options. So I'll just select the user defined one. So now just click on this icon. Now just locate to the folder where you have downloaded the scene style. So in my case it's in the download. So we have already extracted this Technicolor scene style. Just open the folder, and the second file which you are seeing is for the Windows computer, and if you're using a Mac computer then you can open this or use this Mac OS folder. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna open this second file and just select this file, click on open, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see it's showing all the names, even you can see the scene style. So finally we have installed or added this scene style, color profile or pixel style in my respective Canon mirrorless camera. And just click on OK. So finally we have installed successfully. Now in order to confirm, you can just double click on it again, and you can see here this color profile or picture style is successfully installed. So let us check if it really gets installed in our respective Canon mirrorless or DSLR camera using this tricks or not. So let me close this and let us jump to the camera. So now just press on this Q icon, or you can just press it here also in the center of the button here, or you can just press on this Q icon, and now you will see here one P icon written is the picture style. You can just tap on it, and below you will see here tons of picture style option. You can just select it. So you will see here, so we have selected the user defined section, right? So just tap on it, and now you can see scene style. You can tap on this information also. So you can see here the Technicolor scene style picture profile or the color profile has been installed on my respective Canon mirrorless camera. So by using this method, you can easily install any color profile or picture style in Canon mirrorless or DSLR camera very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.